Ringroup company is a specialized industrial enterprise manufacturing seals for hydraulic and pneumatic cylinders. We have become the leaders in our industry in Ukraine within 15 years. The products manufactured under our trademark are made from high-quality raw materials supplied by the leading European producers selected by means of extensive testing. We use several production methods and technologies enabling to implement any requests of our customers. Ringroup is the only one Ukrainian company manufacturing hydraulic seals by means of injection molding. Our tool-making facilities enable to launch the series production of any hydraulic and pneumatic seals without delay. The engineers in production office control design and optimization of high-precision casting equipment according to global standards. Such approach enables to concentrate all production process inside of one enterprise and to ensure the closed-loop production cycle. Our company uses a method of turning with the help of computer-controlled machine for the purpose of custom order fulfillment. We produce seals from various materials and seals of any complexity according to drawings or samples of the customers. The special nature of the production enables to manufacture the sealing elements in small batches from one unit. The up-to-date cutting complexes enable to produce flat articles of any configuration. The variety of Ringroup products amounts to more than 5,000 items. The range is constantly extending. The assurance of high quality of products has been one of unchanging priorities of the company within 15 years of operation. The strict control and quality check at all stages of production cycle is the basis of the current internal regulations of the enterprise. The long-term partnership relations with hydraulic manufacturing plants enable us to respond to release of new hydraulic cylinders quickly and efficiently and to produce the corresponding maintenance kits. The high-quality seals manufactured under our trademark are in demand and highly appreciated in more than 40 countries across the world. The official representative office of Ringroup in Poland allows us to be close to our European partners. Our company is the example of doing the community-minded business. The football club Ringroup, which helps us to bring up young champions, was established in 2018 for the purpose of promotion of active lifestyle among children. We manufacture the Ukrainian products of European quality due to long-term experience of the company, high-quality modern equipment and high-grade raw materials. However, the most important component of Ringgroup's success is the united team of professionals. Inspiring each other, we achieve our common goal. We work towards becoming better every day.